to simplify exponential expressions, and the learning targets are divide, multiply, add, and subtract like terms. In the first example, we have 3x to the second y to the fourth over 6xy to the sixth, and all of this will be to the third power. Step 1 in this problem is to look at this, 3 over 6, and simplify it. 3 over 6, 3 goes into both numbers. 3 into itself once, into 6 twice. So it really makes it a 1/2. But don't write the 1 on top. Just put your 2 at the bottom and don't write 1 at the top unless you have nothing else on top when you're finished. And then move over to the x's. The largest one is where? On the top, and we have an exponent of 2 and then minus 1. So what do we write on top?
Keep nothing, just keep x.
Just x. And the y's, where's the biggest one? On the bottom. And 6 minus 4, 2. But now you still have to do the third power of everything. X on the top here to the third power is x to the third. On the bottom, 2 to the third power is 8. That's the same as 2 times 2 times 2. And then y to the second to the third power, you multiply the exponents. 2 times 3 is 6. X to the third over 8y to the sixth is your final answer. In this example, we have 4x to the second, y to the third, over 2x, y to the sixth. All of this is going to be to the fourth power. Step 1, I have to reduce this 4 over 2. What is 4 over 2 reduced?
2 over 1.
2 over 1, yes. We'll just write a 2 and not put the 1 down on the bottom. Now we move to the x's. Where's the largest? On the top. And what will the exponent be? 2 minus 1 is 1, yes. The exponent is 1, so we just write x. Where's the largest y? And what will the exponent be?
3.
Now you need all of this to the fourth power, so 2 to the fourth power is 16. That's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And then x to the fourth power is just x to the fourth power. On the bottom, y to the third to the fourth, you multiply the exponents. 3 times 4 is 12. 16 x to the fourth over y to the 12th is the final answer. The solution for the practice problem, start with your 12 over 8. The number that goes into 12 and 8 that is the highest would be 4. So 4 into 12 3 times, into 8 twice. You'll have 3 over 2. And then go to the x's. The largest one is on the bottom. Subtract, you get an exponent of 1. For the y's, the largest one is on the top. Subtract the exponents and get 2. Now you need everything to the third power. 3 to the third power is 27. Then y to the second to the third, multiply the exponents to get y to the sixth. On the bottom, 2 to the third power is 8. And then x to the third power is simply x to the third. The solution for the practice starts with 15 over 5, or not 15 over 5, but 5 over 15. 5 over 15 can be reduced down to 1 over 3. And put the 3 on the bottom, but leave the 1 off of the top for now. Only if you have nothing left on the top should you write a 1. And for the x's, the largest one is on the bottom. Subtract the exponents. 6 minus 2 is 4. The y's, the largest one is on top. 7 minus 2 is 5. Now you need the cube root, or not the cube root, but the third power of this. And y to the 5th to the 3rd is y to the 8th. And then 3 to the 3rd is 27. X to the 4th to the 3rd is x to the 12th. Yeah, I made a mistake here. This should be 15 for this exponent. My fault. On the practice problem, reduce the 12 over 8 to 3 over 2. 4 into 12 3 times, into 8 twice. And then x to the 9th over x to the 3rd, the largest x is on top. 9 minus 3 is 6. And then y to the 10th over y to the 5th, the largest y is on top. 10 minus 5 is 5. Square everything. 3 squared is 9. X to the 6th to the 2nd, multiply the exponents to get 12. Y to the 5th to the 2nd is y to the 10th. On the bottom, 2 squared is 4.